I've been using this Apple Watch Ultra 2 for more than a year now. But recently, I've developed a crush on Garmin. For someone who is active and lives in a city, I need a watch that makes up Ultra 2's weak point, or we can say the drawback, the battery. Let's be real. Apple Watch Ultra's battery is bad. In this video, I'm going to compare the pros and cons of Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Garmin 965. And stick around till the end, because I'm going to tell you why I choose both of them together. Yes, you hear me that right. I'm using them together at the same time. Don't worry, I'll explain why. I'll tell you my reason. And I also explain why I didn't choose Phoenix 8, 7, 7 Pro, and even Endo 3. First, let's talk about the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I love almost everything about it. The responsive touchscreen, the action button, the siren, and even the Siri. It's a fantastic device, but the battery, a total joke. 72 hours might sound decent on paper, but for someone like me who's working out or playing sports for 3 to 5 hours at a time, it just doesn't cut it. On the other hand, I choose Garmin 965 because it gives me 7 days with a normal use, more than 50 days with a save power mode. I also get a ton of useful insights like my body battery, sleep score, stress intensity, body temperature, and steps. Yes, I know, Apple Watch Ultra 2 can also tell you how many steps did you walk, but in different way. Let's talk about body battery first. It helps me gauge how much battery I have left and how far I can push myself during the day. I like playing badminton during the day with my friends. If I don't know my body battery, how can I save my energy? How can I finish long game or long plan effectively? You know what? I hope Apple could add this function on Apple Watch because everybody needs it. Let's talk about the sleep score. This shows how well or badly I slept last night. It's like having a coach tell me, take it easy today. You can never do that over a night or you're good to go. Stress intensity. This is a lifesaver. It lets me know when I need a break or maybe just a little space from whoever's standing in front of me. I can escape or ignore the people in front of me, or I can just keep distance with them. Next part is body temperature. Post-COVID, this is a big deal. It's reassuring to have a quick check for fever when everybody's still a bit wary of getting sick. Now, I know the Ultra 2 tracks steps too, but here's the catch. When I use the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I have to press the button or ask Siri to tell me how many steps did I walk. With the Garmin, it's right there on the watch face. No extra steps. It's convenient, and that little detail makes a big difference. Why haven't I ditched my Apple Watch Ultra 2? Simple. I love its voice assistant, camera control, action button, and speaker function. If I need to jot down something, I can use the voice assistant to set a memo or reminder or add it to my calendar. For example, when I'm perming my hair, I cannot reach my phone. I can control the camera with my watch. When I'm driving, I can also take calls. Look at the oil indicator. Hands-free. When I'm ready to run or play badminton, I just need press one button and then the activity, the workout start. I don't have to wait, GPS searching, you know what I mean. Let's talk about the other Garmin watches, why I didn't choose them, why I passed. Let's talk about Garmin Phoenix 8 first. It has a new voice function, but the sound quality doesn't compare to Ultra 2. And it's pricier. Phoenix 7 and 7 Pro, they were older models with dimmer screens, heavier builds, and higher prices to compare with 965. Window 3, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, but since I mostly stay indoors, it's not for me. For now, the Garmin 965 feels like the best choice. Sure, if the 975 comes out with better battery life, better battery life. Wow, sounds like a tongue twister, huh? Better battery life. And a flashlight like the Phoenix 8. I'll definitely consider it. But, it won't be as budget friendly as 965. In the end, this is my setup. Apple Watch Ultra 2 plus Garmin 965. Yes, I'm using them together. Both of them are working for me. I love them. They did a great job together. Ultra 2 cannot leave 965, vice versa. How about you guys? Are you Team Ultra or Team Garmin? Or both, just like me? Leave the comments, let me know. I'd love to know what your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about Apple Watch Ultra or Ultra 2, Garmin, any questions, just leave the comments. Next time, peace. Can you sing a song?
Certainly. Absolutely. Ahem. Okay, here I go. Ahem. Hang on, let me just clear my... Gosh, singing is harder than I thought.
So funny.